Kerala Onam Sadhya Special Ada Predaman Payasam recipe. This is one of the popular recipe during Kerala Onam festival season. Let's move to the video. In a container, take some water to cook the rice ada, then add 100 grams of ada to it. Close the lid. Cook on medium flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, switch off the flame. Drain the water and remove it into a bowl. Add some normal water to the bowl to avoid sticking together. Now in a bowl, take 250 grams of jaggery. Also add 1 cup of water. Cook on medium flame until the jaggery has been melted completely. When it has melted, switch off the flame. After cooling, filter it into a bowl. Make sure we filter in order to remove the impurities in the jaggery syrup. Take a pan and add the jaggery syrup to it. When it becomes hot, add the cooked ada to it. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame until we get good thickness. When it becomes thick, add 2 tablespoons ghee to it. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add less thicker 2 cups of coconut milk to it. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, add 1/4 teaspoon dry ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute. Now we are going to add thick coconut milk. Before that, make sure to keep low flame. After changing to low flame, add 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Mix it well. Stir continuously for 1 minute.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 1 minute, switch off the flame. Finally, we need to add coconut pieces for best taste. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon ghee and heat it. Add 2 tablespoon coconut pieces for frying on medium flame. Make sure pieces are very small and not too long. Fry until it turns to light golden color. When it turns light golden color, switch off the flame and add this to the recipe. Mix it well. Our Kerala Onam Sadhya Special Ada Predaman Payasam recipe is ready. If we are making in this quantity, you can serve it for up to 5 glasses.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.